Generative AI is enabling enterprises to reinvent their customer experiences, enhance productivity, and accelerate growth. With Bedrock, AWS is democratizing the access to the powerful foundational models, enabling enterprises of all scales to innovate rapidly with generative AI. See how AWS partner Kalent is leading the way with powerful Gen AI solutions.
So back in the summer of 2023, the discussion with AWS about how can we create this virtual engineer, and it could be accurate and provide the level of intelligence that we need to really satisfy the customer needs. The discussion was really revolving about we need to integrate Bedrock. And at that point that AWS introduced us with Kalent. Kalent was like probably the first in the world to really play with Bedrock and had an early look on it and was able to develop that expertise on Bedrock. So when we look at ARIA, the goal was to come up with this virtual engineer assistant, which would do the root cause analysis if there's anything going wrong and come with some recommendation of what should be done for the human to make a decision. Our tech stack is already managing a lot of the data flow, is managing all of the information that you need for the building, is also doing the predictive AI. So the trick was to merge this LLM into our tech stack so the LLM could use the information on the tech stack and then start to do the root cause analysis and provide insights for the user. The challenge was definitely to say we need to be sure that we're going to control the latency. So we want to have a very fast latency. And also we control all the possible hallucination down to as close as possible to zero. So building the fabric around the ARIA was, of course, Bedrock as the LLM carousel. We had to build several functions on Lambda and also on Fargate and also some on Athena. We're not only confined to one model, but we could basically, like a ratchet, move and use another model per question if we want. So we're growing with the capability of this model without us doing pretty much nothing internally. When you look at the architecture of what's surrounding the Bedrock, there's a lot of intelligence that was built with these services so we could then connect the entire package into our existing technology stack. So one of the main success of working together with Kalent was to reduce the latency of this discussion chatbot to now below 15 seconds. So it's now like what I call market ready in terms of user experience. Another key problem that we resolved was the quality, where the model was inventing information instead of giving us the fact. To now we're reaching 98% accuracy, but really we're about to completely eliminate it, and we're still working on it with great success. So when we look at the landscape that we have in front of us at BrainBox AI, the existing core technology combined with ARIA will provide the tool to building owner and operator to reduce the energy drastically and really contribute in saving the planet.